friend in a busy. You can beg you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaica Walk by the. My dolly friend, you know me not pass. Let me give you a shout out. Come let me give you Instagram a shout out. Come give you Instagram a shout out. Where your Instagram go? Come in, man. Look at you come out. Yeah, lash and thing. Go with braces in her mouth. Body blows and thing. Talk to me, man. Nobody run. Where your Instagram go? Big up your Instagram. Tell me not video, you know.
It's Shanta.
Let me find it. So I say me there with Dolly in the street. I first girl me see in the street and I could actually get to talk to on Jamaica Walk by. And we are going to find our Instagram right now. Someone don't know all the girls we see on Instagram and thing. See it, find your Instagram. I could catch you find your Instagram. I'm going to follow you, give you a shout out. Right, that's a brawling. And I beg you subscribe to my YouTube channel too. If you're not on the internet right now, I give you a Wi-Fi box. Always have internet. Like that, follow it, man. See what I mean? Support for support, you know what I mean? So this is our Instagram massive. And I can support her. Dolly in the streets to come out, right out. I imagine, remember, say she never prepared for see me, you know. But look how she act. I know you know want to go on camera. Them the eyelash, the braces in her mouth, pretty earring. Yeah, see she subscribe to it. One love and thanks. You're so nice, Maria. That Maria how you're polite and thing. Hear that? Don't change your ear for nobody. Big up yourself, my friend. Cool. Hello, miss. Can I 1 second I can talk to you? I'm Fabian from Jamaica Walk by. Lord of mercy, I say I'm beautiful. Jesus Christ. I can't walk with you. I'll soon close the video, man. Oh, God have mercy, man. You want all of my subscribers them beat me up if me not catch you. Hey, look. You don't want to go on the camera. Oh, God. But they say beautiful ladies not shine. Oh, you know what? If you catch you're not big up nobody now, no. Oh, my word. Massive. This is more than one Dolly in the street. I didn't even realize I saw a girl pretty. She's sweet like a drinks. How easy, massive, you don't know, big up every time, man. Look, go down, man, how me stay, how me sound, how me look. Yes, so massive, you don't know, get the glass off the walk and realize, you nowadays when me walk, you know, I mean, the sun so hot and bright and all them things, they can't get to sit too properly. So you don't know, so we roll out one of them little things, you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't know how me stay, one of them can walk in it and the people them say me look suspicious or something, because the glass is pretty, you know. Pretty bad, you see me? You don't know, you know, we uniform to the Jamaica Walk by. And massive, we are in Buff Bay. You understand? Buff Bay. You know the chap go. So right about now, I'm going to show you exactly what Buff Bay looks like in this year. You understand? No problem, no joke. And I just want it to go the right way. You understand? We're next to the seaside. You understand? It's a beautiful town. No joke. Let me show you. Look good. We are right next to the sea. You understand? The sea is just right there. You understand? I mean, I tell you, Buff Bay is not the biggest town. You understand? Not the biggest town. So, this is not supposed to be a very long video, but I want to do it very subtle and nice, calm and deadly. Make we can view the place, see how the place looks. You know, if we can reason with some people. If we can showcase some people business, we are going to just do that. You understand? It's a vibe like that. I hope you enjoy the drone shots, them and thing. We're going to see what Buff Bay look like from the sky. You know what I mean? As them say, Buff Bay is actually one of the first bay, the first bay of its kind enter into Portland. You understand me? I say, you understand? So it's just a great vibe down here. So far, the place look nice, vibrant and basin. So enough talking, we just going to show you what we're going to walk through with the right on the outskirts of the town. So if you not watch so far, and you don't like it, please me going to like me. I wait. You understand me? I wait. I go cross the road in the meantime until we can get like a cool shade and go and wait for you to like the video. See me? Yes, I could do it. Like up the video. Yeah, man, massive. No joke, no doubt. Look on the place. Yeah. With a ride from the outskirts. Because guess what, me know? If you go that way there, you go like you go Boston side and all of them part there and in a Portland town, your town. You understand? So we are going to head this way. You understand? We go in the town. This is just to make you know exactly which part me stand up. And thing right now, I don't know which tree that. Look like it's the almond tree. You understand? So, are you ready? Ready? You understand? Please, me I beg you to like the video. Please, 1,000 likes, quick and fast. All of my friends them. Big up all of my members them. Big up all of my dieted subscribers them. I don't know Tina, Lee, big up yourself. Jason, Gina, Orient, Freestyle, Mark, Broad. You don't know. there's so many persons, you understand, we always dep on the premiere, then on the live, you don't know, over TikTok, you understand, everywhere. So big up, and we're going to do this. So my members, you don't know, much love, much respect. If you're a member, you don't know, you're supposed to see which part I'm there already, because we post all of them exclusive content and thing in the members feeds in. So I'm ready, when I don't like up the video, and we're going to walk through Buff Bay and basin things. Seeing as I walk, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Buff Bay as I go through. Look, place nice and thing, no joke, no doubt. So if you don't know how Buff Bay program and thing, please maybe gonna drop some comment and make sure you give that video a thumbs up. Right about now, if you're new to the channel, please, I'm asking you to subscribe. We're on the road for 1 million subscribers, no joke, no doubt. See, let's do this now, man. Ready? Let's go. All right, massive. So, yeah, Buff Bay. As you can see, we are walk through and thing. I wonder if that place is famous, you know what I mean? Look like I hit a bus the cool shade in the town. So we're going to just walk through massive. We don't know. Over here says what? It's a shopping mall, or so we could just take a little look. Sevens complex. We stand up and thing. Yeah. We go through. We see what it looks like. Yeah. Who said that? John no star. Where say I touch out in the street? Where say? Come on, man. Now you know everything about Jamaica. Walk by and me a record and then you go say.
Look at me in my bush clothes. I can't do that today.
Come on, man. They want to see. Massive. He must say, as he see me, he want to look at everybody else in the street, but he don't want to show himself. See that man in a bush tiger. He's a bush tiger, you know, man. Come on, man. You're good to go, man. Big up and respect.
Love the thing you're doing.
Where say, you see me? Yeah, you recognize me. I have on the shades and you see me see me?
I love your thing, bro.
Big up. Yo, you're British.
UK, England, yeah.
Yeah, man, I can hear it in your voice. You're Jamaican, but you don't talk like me.
You know, just have to keep that thing down.
Yeah, real Rasta thing. You say, come and invest all that money in Jamaica.
Why not? And the sunshine.
That is it. Beautiful, clear sky. So right now, you don't know, say this is a support. Big up yourself, mad love, recognize me. Yo, it's a blessing. You hear me, G?
Shut that girl.
You understand? Where you say? Cool, I want Dali.
I want Dali for you.
I want Dali. Hi, my friend. Hello, good day. One Jamaica walk by, blessings and love. Touch me now, my silly. Oh, you mean? Oh, you're there over here saying now what Jamaica walk by. You understand? Tell me a little bit about the plaza, you know. What are going over here? What we can find over the plaza here? What? Yeah, man, tell me what going on. Just talk. See that? We have video over there, so come my video already, you know, say Dali then get video quick and fast. That's how we work. You understand? So right about now, I see a lot of little things over the plaza here. Look nice and thing. Very subtle. And thing which is nice, not restaurant and thing over here.
Restaurant and the renovation.
Restaurant and the renovation. Where say you the big man? Eh? You not talk to me. Yeah, massive, look good. You're part of management team. That is it. You know when we sell the place, I could tell you about the place, I could know say send all like customers them from early. So massive.
Insurance, pharmacy, hairdresser, nail tech, shipping, auto.
Oh, you mean? So as she said, dental, all furniture store over here. Yes, that is it, man. So massive, then say the restaurant under renovation right about now. Nice big screen TV pan wall and thing.
Temporary bar settings.
Where's the temporary bar settings? So the temporary bar settings, the right, so they might go and lock down the business here where furniture store there. So you understand, you have a doctor, when name Soto. Dr. Soto right there, so you understand. We see over here, so where we have Central Technology. And what again? Karen Decor. You hear me? Where Karen there? She not there. Oh, that are this. Let me go take a look, massive. So over here, so it looks like she do some decor for weddings and bunch of things based on what you see from outside. Wow, I could just take a sneak peek in there. Yeah, you see all the chandeliers and stuff like that. Oh, see all the bossy chair. We just a peep through the glass and things. So you don't know she have all her props them and things. It look like she gone on lunch. But yeah, this is the plaza over here. We have Jamaica Agricultural Committee over there so too. You know, some bunch of little places over here as you walk through. You know what I mean? We just a start and thing. I could big up that place at the Central Technology Creation. Hello, good day. Blessings, my friend. Yeah, me just a give play some promotion same speed, you know. That is it. Let's do this. Yeah. So massive we are in Buff Bay. You understand? I'm gonna just hear me general before me leave. From Ufa Complex? Sea Wave. Alright, so she make sure so me stay clear. Right. Sea Wave Complex. I think we did mention it over there, saying about a Sea Wave. That is it. So Godfather, respect for your watch channel. Come and see it before me move off. You not big up nobody?
Not right now, because hey, the thing.
Yeah.
I need to move soon. So that makes sense.
Alright
then. Time I reach back,
big up yourself and respect. You hear that? Mad love, respect. And thank you so much for watching the channel. You hear that?
Welcome.
That is it. Yeah. Jamaica walk by. As him see me hear him shout me as a racer. It's a great feeling if you know some people actually I watch it if you can recognize you as you walk out, you know? Yeah, me not tell you, man. It's a crazy vibe, man. Yes, I massive as we move through. No joke, no doubt. Yes, massive, that was a great energy just to, as me step out, I know I'm having the glass and things, so as me step out, go inside there, so there's a gentleman who recognized the thing. And I said, Jamaica walk by. I was so surprised, and I mean, people recognize the thing like that. And it's just a good feeling. So he's from England, and him actually watch the channel, so him say, as him see me, him rate the thing, so him go know me anywhere me there because him always watch the channel. That is a great feeling, you understand? So, yeah, man, if you don't see me in the street, man, don't give me a shot, man, so let me know, say, you don't know a thing I get the right watch and it'll reach some people, you know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. As you go through, we just want to do that one slowly, calm and nice and energy as we show on what go on in our place. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Jamaica walk by my teacher, what go on? I mean not now go on and sit down on the corner, man. Make it work sing go on for you all a winner, man. How that sound? Can't drink no gas, man. Gas of a vehicle, man. Yeah. Gas of a vehicle, man. Yes, so Jamaica walk by is a channel where we walk around, reach the people, promote the dolly style, hide our face. I don't understand. No trouble and no trouble now run. Big up yourself, my teacher. Mad love, mad respect, blessings, respect. I want good dolly, man. A true, man. You're right, you know? Good, yeah, beautiful people, not shy, man. So that gas station, which gas station is? I could turn up that scheme, man. Yeah, oh, IP Brown. So right now, IP Brown, I go and give beer gas and thing down above beer. You understand? No joke. At first, I hear about the gas station and still. So I could turn it up now. With the vehicle stop, so that means the gas good. That means the gas nice. That means the vehicle am drinking gas good. Not true? That is it. How you mean? Look good. IP Brown. Buff beer with it. See? I line up right now. People have a giant line to get that gas. I come like a writer, so I have to tap up back for go back home. Look good now, man. I always say juice and the water and the local supermarket inside. Yeah. That is it. Figure that. Hey, I really serious, man, you know. Right now, they can't pay for the promotion that we are give that place. I service a vehicle, everything in the engine oil filter, sweets to the kids, they come with the family. No joke, no doubt. Where Dolly gone? Dolly run gone? Where Dolly gone?
Good Dolly night.
Dolly, where Dolly gone? That don't look good. I mean, I would have Sanchez, look like a Sanchez race over that, you know. A mad thing. So, IP Brown gas station in above be a massive. Want to come and support the thing if you not pass through. Nobody tap down the road and full in the tank. Just come at IP Brown. Since we tap right as our first gas station, me ever talk about on Jamaica walk by. You understand? So it's a good vibe, it's a good energy. No joke thing. Look good.
Yeah, right on the seafront.
Right on the seafront.
Yeah.
I wish about the bay there. They not sell fish and them thing down there so you can
Yeah,
get.
man, a beach house, man.
Which side? Over here, sir?
All of them building that beach house.
Eh.
Yeah, man,
Look,
the
you see me
girls
can't
say
get.
boat them and thing and
Which side?
down the my next part, the boat park up down one part, yeah, so.
Alright then.
Them there.
Cause them say both be the first bay for coming to Portland, you know.
Yeah, man.
You understand? History say it.
Yeah, man, I true, man.
No joke massive. So we take time go through blessings, my teacher. Big up yourself.
Big up
Mad
yourself,
love,
man.
check out the channel. Jamaica Walk by Zin.
I will.
Why your Instagram? You dey on Instagram and anything there?
No, them girl let me have to run.
Nah man, gee, that do you can tear down buff me. Me understand it. Big up my teacher, we are walk through, see? Bad thing. Yeah. So see the IP Brown gas station. The first time I hear about that gas station, they say, no, say, me I go and endorse and blast it, because you don't know. New is always good. As you move through massive. Yeah. Look good. So, you know, we can't further side here and we not check the bay. You know we go. Let's check it out. Alright, so I'm going to take a look over here so now. Take a look. Because I heard about Buff Bay is like the first bay coming into Portland. So make me show you which I exactly see there. So you can pretty much walk from off the road and come at the seaside. Look good. Why it's a blessing to have some. Whoa, teacher on the road. Big up and respect me, teacher. Are you alone? Yeah, big up every time, man. Jamaica Walk by his head. Yeah. Yes, I take some of my cool breeze and about a stiff. Yeah, that man. Is it, my teacher. Boy, nice see, man. Oh, God. What a relaxation. Lord of mercy. Look good. Switch power there. So that's Daryl Vaz, Member of Parliament spot, you know? Yeah. Daryl Vaz. Office of the Member of Parliament, Westmoreland, Daryl Vaz. Yeah, center camera can see film spot there so and thing is it. Right on the seaside massive Buff Bay. You pass you want to come wet up your foot them, you wet up your foot them, you know what I mean? So we say we can get like them right so we can get fresh fish.
Yeah, man.
Because me just see few boats, me don't really see enough people are sell, you know? So me I wonder if I maybe true it's a wind there so them kinda hold a break. I wish they are best day for like get fish. Oh, and Rasta over that side there. Yeah man, it's a vibe. But you don't know. Take it easy, me teacher. So go through me showcase Buff Bay and Jamaica Walk by, you know. That is it, my friend. Bless always. Oh you mean? As you move through. So it's a subtle tone, you know what I mean? And the tone is it's bigger than I thought. So you don't know it's a blessing, same speed. So this is just like the little front part of it. A little tooks. So we walk through. I know we just showcase how the place look, how the place stay, alright? But this gas station, they look like people really like the gas because from a pass and stop, I see a lot of person are full up them tank right here. So that is great. You see it? Blessed me teacher. Respect. Huh? Yeah. We go through. Yeah. My glass better than for you. That is it. Yeah. What thing. So we just walk through the town and See how the place looks while going down here. Just want it cool and easy. And think. Good evening. Blessed Elder Special. This is it. Manners, see. See. Shoppers Pride food store. Yes, massive Buff Bay. So all who don't know what Buff Bay looks like, this is what Buff Bay looks like as we walk through, see? So it said that Buff Bay was the capital of another parish, St. George. You understand? Before the parish was merged to from Portland. You understand? Let me read that again. So it said Buff Bay was the capital for another parish, St. George, before the parish was merged to Farm Portland. See, the small town is now the home of banana and coffee farmers. You hear that? No joke. So you can see down here take on a lot of farming and all of them things there. You see me? Many people also travel through here to quite down on their way to the emerged popular Port Antonio for their vacation trips. But it is urged to pass through Buff Bay and another, admiring the beautiful agricultural it has been able to make the carrier pass. We call this the scream, I understand. No joke.
First match starting time 10 a.m. Swift River versus Bourbon. Second match starting time.
So you call this stone cry.
Sunshine versus Buff Bay United.
Yeah.
Sponsored by
No
Ministry of
joke.
Local Government and Community Development. Sports Ready Cash. National Housing Trust. Lasco Financial Services. Ray and Nephew. Jamaica Association. Art and SDA Trust. RBLM and SDC. Social Development
So,
Commission.
Tone cry.
Sunday, May 19, 2024.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try to read something for you, make you hear a little bit about Buff Bay still, you see me? You understand? So, as them say, Buff Bay was the capital for a parish called St. George. You understand? Before it was merged into Portland. Or them merged it to form Portland. You understand? No joke, no doubt. So massive, as I say, always tell you, this channel is not about to educate you on a town or anything like that. It's just to show what the place look like, the natural happenings, the natural ambiances, and all of that in our present time. You understand? So persons can see the growth from where it come from to where it's going as we do certain videos to update the place as we go through, you know, years and days and months to come. You see? No joke, no doubt. Blouse and skirt that they chain them and you're not afraid they give you weights on the neck. Blouse and skirt, chain bossy. Oh, you be big up yourself, my teacher, hear that? That is it. Outside. Yeah. This is a beautiful town and people them beautiful, you know what I mean? It's a good look. Just want to go through and just take it easy and just get the place the right way, you understand? As we move through. So all of you never know, Portland is the birthplace for our national hero, Nanny. You understand? Nanny of the Maroons. So you know, see a fair place this. Yeah, man. Let's go. I heard persons always talk about that Portland is the most safest place in Jamaica. You understand? Portland. So, who can comment and tell me how true that is? I don't visit Portland very regular, to be honest with you, because I live far from Portland. I'm a Clarendon youth. You understand? Yeah. So here we have center camera, Jamaica Constabulary Force, Buff Bay Police Station. It's beautiful. Look like them do a lot of work to this police station here. Look like it's newly renovated and thing as we go through. So big up all my persons who join in right now on the video. Mad love, mad respect. I understand, super appreciate all of you. We have Ministry of Health and Wellness. So this is the Ministry of Health office in Buff Bay. We'll just take a look walk down here, so yeah. Ministry of Health office. Good evening, friend. I beg you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, yeah, my friend? Jamaica Walk By, here? Yeah, man, blessed love. That is it. So this is Buff Bay District Health Center. Yeah, man, right beside the police station. Taking my time today, you understand? Okay? As you do this, the place well clean and pretty. Very big. Very nice. Alright, let's go. So we'll go back in at the town. So there you have it, the police station. Now get me wrong, in a massive. It's sun hot. It's sun a bit. Buff Bay. Good evening, blessed good day. Portland Parish Court. Oh, so this road is Russell Avenue. I was looking for the address. Russell Avenue, Buff Bay. Look good. Me there. So I heard that this is a famous courthouse here in Buff Bay. Look good. This is what it looks like. And across the road. What going on over there, sir? Rural equipment across the road. Come and check this out. Yeah, man. Yes, are your rural equipment this man? Lord of mercy. 4x4. It's still running? Oh, and your machine? What's your machine? The general say, "Ma, check it." I don't know. The machine look like it's there for a long while. Eh? No, sir. So, where you can tell? One sign. Yeah, because this look like a church a day about 100 years before me born. But this a machine, man. 4 wheel. So you have to try start it? Yeah. Where's your piece? I can run massive, look on it. So we have signed, we have registration on this from 2011 to right up to 2023. Depane. Look pane. On a machine. Well, I look like somebody house and everything like and live there. Check out the Juka style. Mad thing. Let's see if this can move. This can run. Jaja no. Alright, let's move along. Blessed, you elder. Big up yourself. I hope I get it running. Good evening. You're crossing? Oh. Good evening, good evening. That is it. So this is Buff Bay Primary School. Oh yeah, your school is down there? Oh yeah, I'm just showing them what Buff Bay looks like. Nice.
My school is one now.
And your school is around there? Alright. Take care of yourself, yeah?
Okay.
Cool. So as you can hear, this town is very, very quiet. Closed store and all them good things over there. People up on the corner sell same way and all of that. But massive, let me tell you about it. Listen how quiet this town is. Yes, this is how quiet the town is. Super quiet. If you don't hear vehicles passing, the town is silent. Wow, so here we have a church, Buff Bay Baptist Church, celebrating 200 years of Christian witness. here in Montego Bay. 200 years. Well done. This church you're looking at right here. Beautiful. This town is super quiet. So we have Charlestown Maroon Settlement pointing over there. So let me see if that's where it's talking. Yeah. So that probably be it across the road there. One more time for the sign. Alright, let's go. Yeah, teacher. So we're making our way slowly. Oh, that's the school the little girl was talking. Buff Bay. Beautiful, quiet town. Nice. Let's make our way through. I realize that they have a lot of landmark. Them try to keep a lot of these buildings though. So we stand up right on Thompson Avenue. Right at Thompson Avenue. Yeah. Manners. Yes, Elder, big up. See, they give thanks, that is it. Yeah. Good evening, ladies. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Are you a store? Are you sell right so? Lord, to make it out here. Make go see if all of your friends and the people them will know you. Oh gosh, man. You see it? There's such trouble going on. I probably me a look a blessing right now to make it all of everybody see say, are you there? You afraid of the camera? Oh gosh, oh my word. So massive look shot with it. So my friend had box out underpants. All age, all sizes. Yeah, me see him one man. You follow up on YouTube, but you know I go on the camera. You like look on people and don't want to look on yourself. You see it? So massive look good. This is her business right here. She says she support Jamaica walk by, so we have to talk about her thing them. You understand? See the shorts them, yeah. Look good now, man. Jean shorts too. You understand? She have the marina, she have the white shirt. Ian's too, you know, don't play the chop. We have brassiere, all different size. You understand? Trainers, panty, all different size. Bath rag, beard rag, rag for the river, rag for the sea. Kerchief for the sweat.
She said
everything. What she selling there?
Glass.
Glass? What kind of glass?
Mirror.
Oh, you said mirror. That's your business? Lexi, you know she said, she look just like you. You know she said, Lexi. Oh gosh, Lexi, see a twin right here, so. Bleach out hair and glasses and guandali. That is it. Look for her. Nice. Touch me now, man. See, that is it, man. Beautiful. Can you see all of your young days in a man? Them flock your hard. All now, though. You know, answer me. Yeah. So she said glass in the where's a mirror and them thing there. Let me see right west, but where address the right or so. We then call Thompson Street. Right, that's all. Right on Thompson Avenue or Thompson Street today. You understand? Just come and look for that layer. You can't miss her. So mirror, oh you do, then cut the glass in there and can fit a mirror and all them things there. Then that no good, man. So what about like a car mirror? See, a mirror that's a broken or she not see them then do all the mirror there in there too. That is it. So maybe that's why I'm parked right. I say I wait for fame. Alright, big up yourself. Me see your eye the face, so I go make a run. You understand? When I pass by, I come sponsor you, yeah? That is it. Look good. I love that. That even make you worse. I go come sponsor you. Big up here. Alright, me soon come. We are show them buff beer so you can look out for the video. Alright, big up yourself. Lord God. So she said she watch the channel. She always been checking out the content and all of them things there, which is great. I love that. Oh, you mean? So this is Buff Bay. We're just taking our time going through Buff Bay. It's not a big town, so we can just take a look at time and go through and show you what Buff Bay look like. This is the town where them talk about Buff Bay. You understand? You know about the Buff? Yeah, that is it.
Oh, yeah, go.
With the right pan. Go through me. Hold on, I can see if it's clear. Are your time, you know? One box of forward, hold on.
Yeah?
Yeah. Manners, see. More stuff, nice. Buff Bay. Let's see over here. What is over here on this side? Oh, this is a tax office. So this is Buff Bay tax office right here. As you can see the sign and thing. Let's move through. Buff Bay tax office. Massive, we stretch your leg, we look on the town, that's what I go on and all of them good things there. Let me see what we're on here, so come out. Yeah. Buff Bay. Manners, respect. Yeah. Yeah, my teacher, big up and respect. Jamaica walk by, you know?
So they buy me.
That is, you want to buy you?
No.
You see your ball out already? Yeah. Alright. Blessed me teacher, respect. You know, I never see you there. Big up and respect, you know what I mean? Look like a runner so then get all I think them fixed. Let me see if I can get some people runners so now if you can sponsor that business, yeah. You know, so me tell myself, say me that go walk with my foot massage and that general probably could have fixed. Eh?
Camera,
yeah.
Dangerous man this.
Oh, yes, I Jamaica walk by that one, man. I'm not dangerous at all. I do a walk and just give love and showcase people
Camera
business
dangerous.
And them thing there. Camera yeah. Dangerous, man. None at all, man. Yeah, man. Right now, all your friends, them are your school friends, them when you see you for a long time. What's your name? What's your name again?
What?
Yeah, what's your name?
This man named Taylor.
Taylor. Them are going to say, wait, they not Taylor that. No, Mr. Taylor that.
So that's what I do?
I mean, man. I mean, all your friends, them when you see you for a long time, I say, no long, me not see Mr. Taylor, no Mr. Taylor that. Eh? That is it. Some general way say, I the ladies them this how we call it one again. Help me no man. Chainsaw, yes, a chainsaw man. Look good no man. So are you a chainsaw?
Yeah.
I want to know where you go mash up now.
Then me it out.
Then I say then I mash up then man when I lend you not mash up man. You understand? You make me cut tree and wood and anything man, I cut wall with it, you don't know that.
Yeah, I true and drop it and go.
Yeah man, I say go man. The greatest part of it is he can fix it.
Yeah, man, fix it, but
So he my general.
when he stop work, they will back on me.
Yeah, then
Me
that,
give him a work,
that's
yeah.
how you go, man. You get a work, you know, get it back at work. So right now, what you general, the craft is at work. So massive, you having a chainsaw, your power saw too. You fix all work on them thing there too, right?
Yeah, man.
All of them thing there.
Small engine.
All small engine. So all small engine. So massive if you have all on the small engine and some man take the weed whacker machine and go to make a bicycle and bike and all them things. If you broke down car right or so.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Right or so. See man there, I'm not joking. See that man at work. Man at deal with it, pull it down to the team man at work and it look good. What the man name again?
Me, what they call me?
Yeah.
Tourist.
Tourist. But is a tourist a live a yard. The tourist a live a yard. That is it man. So him name Tourist. So right as him a did the thing them. Look good. All small engine forward with it. You understand? All of some of my people them will go throw diesel in a gas one and throw gas in a diesel one. Can't come right as a tourist. Tourist is sort out for now. You understand? Clean up
that and get it back at work properly.
That is it. Cause we know say them do them something to you know. Yeah man. All of who know out there so no one get mad man and sitting around and take you and fling you off of somebody and drop you and in our work again. Can't come get tourists. Make tourists fix it for and get it back up again so you can fling you again. You understand? The more, remember you know more fling you mash up and have more money for tourists, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I like tourists.
Yeah, man, that's true.
That is it. That's exactly how it works. So you can go and take you again and go lend you out again. So when you lend you out again, you can't back come make him fix you again. More money for tourists.
Yeah, man.
You understand? You're free now? Yes. That's a beautiful chainsaw. You understand? Go and take care of the good things. Them. So right that's how over there. A Thompson Road is the see over here?
Yeah, man.
Thompson Road.
Thompson Avenue.
Thompson Avenue. That is it.
In a Ledley Plaza.
Ledley Plaza. Ledley.
Yeah. Plaza.
So right now with there, Ledley Plaza. You understand? To check for tourists if you want your all small engine to fix and all them things. Nobody bring a poor box come now.
No.
Nobody bring your iron they come now.
The real name is Mr. T, you know.
Mr. T.
Yeah, man.
That is it,
Mr.
man.
T. Small engine and repair.
Small engine and repair. That is it, my
Yeah,
boss.
Yeah.
Blessings and respect. Keep on doing it. You hear that? Big up yourself. You're my
Yes,
teacher.
man.
Mad love, mad respect. We seal it. That is it. Look good. Big up yourself again. You hear that?
Yeah.
Take care of yourself, man. Blessings and love. The general big up to me. We seal it. Big up our respect. We get some customer in our place, you know?
No, you're not
And the mercy. Look how much things. Look good. Buff beer. That is it. Look good. We see our second hand parts and all them things they sell. Come in, man. Look for the light, man. Look good, man. See it there? Oil filter, oil everything sell right as so. All of your parts them for your small engine, you can get them right as so too. No joke, Mr. Tourist, we fix it for you, man. The ramp with Mr. T. See him there? Look good. No joke. So big up our buff beer massive. If you can't find it, see there. Right behind the Texaco gas station. How you mean? Let's go, man. Look good. Buff beer. You say? Bad. Yeah. We outside. I'm not going to catch back the part where we miss out. Part where we cut out, I could catch it. So yeah, we actually did walk through the plaza, so I'm showing the back side there, you know. Manners. Alright, so as you can see center camera, that's where I walked and entered the plaza around this. So we are, well, I make a cross this. Oh, Jamaica walk by my teacher. Mad thing, yeah. I could catch over here. Hold on them, my boss. Come up. That is it. We don't want to cut out nothing, you see me? As you can see, we don't want to cut out nothing. So see that we still left on Thompson Avenue. So they walk there, so go down in the plaza so they can see. So we're right back on the front page and right at the Texaco there, you see me? No joke, no doubt. Yeah, look what we're there. Right on Thompson Avenue, same way. So no, we don't cut out none so they can see exactly from over there. So you see? Blessed me elder. market, everything down here. Oh, you mean, right on the front page. Yeah. Boy, son, at your fret. Jesus Christ, God. And I walk on a video, eh? Oh, God. Me a burn up. Me not tell her, man. Work too? Oh, that is it, man. So with the right here, buff beer, massive. Good evening. That is it, come through. Look good. Alright, massive, so we are going to take a walk down the lane here and see what we're going down here, so. Cause I was born a man and sing out, you don't know, we're there. Buff beer. As you go through, you know. Easy. We are go through. So massive, we are in Buff Bay, heading towards Portland side. You understand? As we go through, we have video. And we are showing exactly what the Buff Bay looks like in our time, you know what I mean? Yeah, easily. Alright, so I'm going to see where we're there right now. Look good. So them call the road Nelson Street. So we're on Nelson Street. Nelson Street. Greetings, my church sister them and my church brother, blessed. See, good evening. So this is Nelson Street. Grandma, what go on? Boy, son body, man. Son a beat me wicked. Me see her hide like a me. Why, son, boy? Me say massive son not normal. I could hear what that general say.
Share the gospel so that men, women, boys, and girls can come to recognize Jesus as Lord and Savior. My friend, God is calling all of us to accept Him as our Lord and Savior and to keep all His commandments, because the judgment, investigative judgment is going on in heaven right now. And those who accept the Lord, they of God first. So those whose name are written in the Lamb Book of Life, their name are being called. And if they are faithful to God, Jesus, the mediator, Jesus, our lawyer, will stand up and say, my blood was shed for this person. And pardon will be written beside that name. And that name will be retained in the Lamb Book of Life. That person will be sealed for eternity. But if a name is called and that person don't repent of all his sin, then that name will be removed from the book of life to the book of death. And that person
Good evening.
for eternal death.
Yeah, my teacher, man. Buff beer. So we're on Nelson Street, you understand? Yeah. I will do that one slowly so I can get to see the place. How the place look in our ear, you understand? Yeah, man, in our present time. Look good. Buff Bay. I look like one hot spot down there, so you know what I mean? Don't know. If you sit down there, you know, so one Grace Kennedy down there. Western Union and thing. Nice and thing, no joke. As you go through Buff Bay. See. Bigger run the farmer. Easy. So we're up on Nelson Street. You know, we just keep on refreshing. So massive, please, I'm asking you guys to follow me on TikTok at Jamaica Walk by TV. And please, I'm asking you guys to follow me on Instagram at Jamaica Walk by on Instagram. Zin? You don't know, you can keep up with some of them things in the street. Some nice little videos from time to time in the street. You know, fun stuff and things. Follow all of the communities them, you see me? No joke, no doubt, you see? And I mash it up. He mash it up. He mash it up again. Yes, I. Off there. How you mean? Yeah. So there you have it. Oh, Jamaica Walk by my teacher. Boy, if me did catch you, I can reason you, because you look like somebody who could have reason with. Alright, that one I just walk through, chat with the people them, show them what I go on. If the artists them out, to make the artists them voice out, be a sitter. Show to your artists them and your friend them, man. You don't know the artists them, boy. What artists? The artists them drop 2 tunes, I could send them viral, man. Nah, man, we not move fast, man. And when I move fast, you don't realize I'm a video, because I'm slick, you know. Not playing me, but big up yourself, bro. But here, massive, you don't know, Buff Bay. And this is just like on the outskirts, Nelson Street. Nelson Street. So we're right on Nelson Street. But don't mind find 2 artists. You understand? You understand? So far, I don't see no artists down at Buff Bay. I don't understand. More time, the artists then see video, then ready, you know. I don't see none. I hardly see youths them in the street, so we just walk through same speed. You see it? My general ball out a while ago, so I catch him. Nobody run, hey, we are run, go man. I feel say, you're an artist, you know. Mommy and I am an artist. Lord have mercy. Big up yourself, you hear me, bro? He run, go. I know it's a 2 bad DJ, half a dog, yeah. No artist ever the boat. Yo. I big up yourself, my teacher. Don't see a word. Jamaica Walk by, see? Yeah. No, man, tell you something. You see artists, when an artist are artists, the man are back, the man is ready to start work. So for you see now, say, I lie, I tell you. How you been? That is it.
Chat banks, make a video chat.
Yeah, chat banks. Yeah. See? So if he must sound like an artist already. See how crab you saw sell. How you manage to find crab already? I don't understand. Rain that you be a son beat me. How you find crab already? Look good now, man. Boy, sent bad do you know? Sent a kick up. Where's the pot full of? Oh, but you sell out, man. A few crab you have in there. I'm glad some of there so come here. Come circle you know. How much you sell the crab then? You have all price. All right. Stand no joke, no doubt. As the day I got you. Mommy, I cook soup. I drive in kitchen. I get the soup from. Clothes and skirt. Drive-in kitchen. I saw Jamaica. I saw them call it on the channel. Drive-in kitchen. Them you know the clean pot them and be sitting. You understand? Cleaner than the restaurant, them will stay one place. Imagine that. Yeah. Big up yourself, I come circle, you know. Do no bother done the crab, you know. I soon done the video. So I just go down my vehicle right now. So how much crab you have? Are you have cookie soup though? Oh, you have crab over here, so too? What you mean, man? And soup right or so? Why? You rub them pot like our machine you use. Jaja no, buff there. Nelson Road massive. Look good. Right on one look at ends. I see I want dolly there. How dolly I sell over here, so?
Rock shaded man.
Nah, tell them man look good.
70. The income.
70. Figure that. Grandma, what? How we are cushy you now? You do some work. Get your hands them busy. How you mean? Alright, see how one nice good place so. So massive after you buy a crab, you can get juice, water, everything for drink, right? As a drink soup and bossy gas. You just easy back. And just hold a nice cool juice. See all boom in there, we have red stripe in there, we have all kinds of shit, Malta in there and so. Dali no come to the shop though. I don't think Dali come to the shop. The Dali no come to the shop. Oh. Big up yourself, my friend. I'm so circle because I love the crab, you know. Can't pass the crab the way, you know. I swear to God. Skill if you have crab right now. I don't know what you're doing. Yeah. No joke. Look good. Right on Nelson Street. Oh, you mean? Buff beer. Oh, you mean? Outside with the art. Take it easy. I'm so far. Hear that? I hope I want them men before the artist can touch the ground. The artist are run. Oh, you mean? That is it, massive. We are go through. Outside me there. Oh, look over here, sir. Clothes, shorts, everything I sell. Got to go. Are you running ends? That is it, man. Business are run. Look good. You know Jamaica walk by program already. All of my people them in the street, they have to sell, and that me a deal. Just come and tell me, so I see them on Jamaica walk by and just start buy. Everything got to go. Think a souvenir? That is it. Look good. The church sister big up here. One love, that is it. Outside me the Nelson Street. As we go through. Nah, get me talking on Dolly. We not see no Dolly, we not see no artist. And thing. Give some people some highlight. Few stores. Persons them more up on the shyer side down here. Them shy, you know? They're more subtle. Yeah, man. I'm say massive. This video is just to show you what the place looks like in an hour time on Jamaica walk by. Outside with it. Good evening.
Good evening.
Wow. As we go through Nelson Road, Nelson Street. As we move through. So, as we walk through Buff Bay massive, I would say Buff Bay is one of the towns that is the first bay, you know? Yeah, man. So, as we move through Buff Bay and going along, let's do this. Blessed me teacher. Outside. So a lot of persons just, you know, doing them one little thing around them business, while if a taxi operator, them a work and basic, you know? Yeah. So pretty much, this is Buff Bay, you know? This is Buff Bay. No family, you know me not travel. Yeah, greetings. Yeah. Yeah, massive, Buff Bay. Good evening, my friend. Greetings. Yes, Elder. Manners. So we have right ahead the Busier River. So we just go up there, so. Yeah. Yes, fire manners.
Bigger.
See.
Yeah. You can slap the next time when you go to now.
So we have my friend in a busy. You can beg you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaica Walk by the. My dolly friend, you know me not pass. Let me give you a shout out. Come let me give you Instagram a shout out. Come me give you Instagram a shout out. Where your Instagram go? Come in, man. Look how you come out. Yeah, lash and thing. Go with braces in a mouth. Body blows and thing. Talk to me, man. Nobody run. How your Instagram go? Big up your Instagram. Tell me, I have a video, you know.
It's Shanta.
Let me find it. So I see me there with Dolly in the street. I first girl I see in the street and I could actually get to talk to on Jamaica Walk by. And we are going to find her Instagram right now. So I don't know all the girls we see on Instagram and thing. See it, find her Instagram. I could catch you find her Instagram. I'm going to follow you, give you a shout out. Right, that's a brawling. And I beg you subscribe to my YouTube channel too. You know. If you're not on the internet right now, I give you a Wi-Fi box. Always have internet. Like that, follow it, man. See what I mean? Support if you support her, I mean. So this is our Instagram massive. And I can support her. Dolly in the streets to come out, right out. I imagine, remember say she never prepare for see me, you know. But look how she at. I know you know want to go on camera. Them the eyelash, the braces in her mouth, pretty earring, tattoo. Look up, me can't catch a tattoo. Look up on the expensive tattoo, yeah. Look good, look though. Mad thing, my friend. When your boyfriend see you, trouble. You understand? Beg you subscribe to me YouTube. Go up on YouTube right now. Jamaica Walk by. And big up yourself. And both be you far from? Boy, me the far from home. We are Clarendon me far from. So it's Jamaica Walk by. I beg you subscribe to it. Yeah, Jamaica Walk by. Alright, this is it, but you have to go up on the channel there, so. And I beg you subscribe. Yeah, since you subscribe to it, one love and thanks. You're so nice, me rate how you're polite and thing. Hear that? Don't change your ear for nobody. Big up yourself, my friend. Cool. That is it. Yeah. Bad rider. That is it. Guidance. Outside. As you walk through. Hello, miss. Can I 1 second me can talk to you? I'm Fabian from Jamaica Walk by. Lord of mercy, I say I'm beautiful. Jesus Christ.
Can't stop
Me can't walk with you. I'll be soon close the video, man. Oh, God have mercy, man. You want all of my subscribers them beat me up if me not catch you. Hey, look. You don't want to go on the camera. Oh, God. But they say beautiful ladies not shine. Oh, you know what? If you catch one, you're not big up nobody now, no. Oh, my word. Massive. This is more than one dolly in the street. I never realized I saw a girl pretty. She's sweet like a drinks. And she don't want to go up on camera. Oh, how have you walk? And the sun's so hot. I beg you subscribe to my channel here. It's Jamaica Walk by here. Lord of mercy, dolly. I can't catch up. I catch her walk, you know. I can't look at the camera. My people have got cuss me today. Because they ask me, alright. May I ask you, can I give you Instagram a shout out? You know, shout out Instagram, no TikTok? That is it, my friend. Oh, bless up yourself here. I beg you subscribe here, Jamaica Walk by. One love. Nice, beautiful young lady in our street, massive. So we just crossed the Busier River. That is it. Yeah. Beautiful young lady. She said she has subscribed, she don't have no Instagram. So we're not forward no further. And thing as you can see out here. Yeah, no joke, no doubt. See as you can see, Busier. Yeah. So we just forward on the outskirt for close. Big up my teacher, manners. So we just forward on the outskirt for close the video. No joke, no doubt. Look good. Beautiful. Beautiful. Damn, beautiful. Look good. So see another car, you call this Stone Cry.
National Housing Trust. Let's go Financial Services.
Oh, you mean? Yeah, massive. So, big up every time. Mad love, mad respect to everybody who stay tuned and watch the entire video. It has been a great walk. Let me just sit down right here so and close the video. So, mad love, mad respect. So, I'm going to do that one end of the new shades. You know what I mean? This is very good. So far, you know, keep off the sun out of my eyes so I can see properly. I don't have to quint up my eyes them and them things there. As on the look for me, as on the see what I go on. You see me I say? So, no joke, no doubt. So, thank you guys so much. If you watch the video this far and you like it, thank you so much. If you watch this far and you like, please me ask if you like the video. See? Mad love, mad respect. Big up to all my Buff Bay massive, all my Portland massive, my Clarendon massive, Kingston massive right across the world. See? No joke. So thank you so much. Comment in the comment section all of your little things where you want to share about Buff Bay. If you've ever been to Buff Bay, what you think about Buff Bay. If you like what you see, you know what I mean, the world works, you understand? So please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you don't know how to subscribe, just simply get an email and log in into YouTube and subscribe to Jamaica Walk By. Or any other YouTuber where you want to subscribe to. We all can win and you don't know the number go up. So big up to my members, big up to, you don't know, Jason and Gina, me always big enough, you understand, Uncle Barry Walking Exercise, Orion Freestyle, Tina Lee, Mark Brown, whole heap of people. You don't know people who always up on the channel every day. You don't know my members, you don't know Urban Spice, the list goes on. I love you guys so much. Blessings and blessings for your support Jamaica Walk By right through the year. You understand? And everybody else who are watch, when I get to subscribe but you still a watch, mad love, mad respect. We're there, Buff Bay, look good. No joke, no doubt. Thank you. Big up and respect. Always seen, that is it. Buff Bay. Yeah, we're going to find back a rider now, and then we take it easy as we go through. Seen, that is it. Glory be to the Almighty. I want to pray with you tonight now. Glory be to the Almighty. Lord, watch over us tonight. Protect my family. In a time like this, we ask for mercy. Watch me in my going out and in my coming in. Could Lord please tell me why they don't want me to win? I see the enemies are after me. Don't let them conquer me. Show me what my eyes can see. Oh, Father, cover me. As long as I live, bless me, Lord. Watch me in my going out, my coming in. Tell me why they don't want me to win. I see the enemies are after me. Don't let them conquer me. Show me what my eyes can see. Oh, Father, ja, ja, long as I live, bless me, Lord. Rock the time, how you feel like? Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Sit down. Now, in this music that we love so much, there's so many great voices that I look up to, great people in this music business.